Go.
Hi viewers, this is my first pack of Naruto I'm going to open, so I'm going to open it. I've come a long way there, guys. Having some trouble here. Zach, will you open it, please?
After a restless night, I make my way to the town of Kinchero, 30 kilometers outside of Cusco, where Vivi's promised me
How do you zoom up?
some beer. This little town, like so many in Peru, is not short on charm, color, history, and personality. If you look closely at the faces of many of the people, particularly the children, you see the redness and chapping and the harsh, dry conditions.
First we have Scar.
Life here depends on hard work, a largely agrarian-based existence, and a difficult
Sacrifice.
Sacrifice.
The last bite. Naruto Uzumaki. Putting off the promise. Omniscience. Blade manipulation jutsu. Blush. Insect wall jutsu. Sasuke Uchiha. And Tsunade.
So this is what I got. This is what I got in this pack. If any
Naruto the Chosen Pack.
Naruto the Chosen Pack. If any of you want to shave